Hello everyone, I'm Kerry Cole with AMP Media, and I'm here at the AMP Annual Conference and Expo with Dan Aiken. Dan is the Business Unit Director of the Americas for ROCKWOOL Technical Insulation. Thank you for joining us.
Glad to be here, thank you.
So tell us a little bit about ROCKWOOL.
Absolutely, so ROCKWOOL is the world's leading manufacturer of stone wool insulation, based in Hedehusene, Denmark. Multiple factories all over the world, but when looking at North America, we have 4 stone wool manufacturing sites here. We are in the process of building our 5th out in the state of Washington. So we're growing our footprint here in North America. We're very excited about that. ROCKWOOL came into the North American market, I want to say 1982, in Milton, Ontario. And since that time, the customer appreciation of stone wool has grown tremendously. People really like it. I think they like the acoustic performance and the fire resistance, and it doesn't, it installs a bit easier than typical fibrous insulation type. So the market adoption has increased, and we're very excited about it.
And we're here to talk about CR Tech for CUI mitigation. So tell us, what is it, how does it work, and why does it matter?
Absolutely. So CR Tech, we're very excited about CR Tech. CR Tech is a technology advancement to our mandrel wound stone wool pipe systems. We officially launched CR Tech mid-year 24. I'll pat our own backs here. We won the 2025 AMP Innovation of the Year Award with that product. So very excited about that, very appreciative for that. But it is a technology that we've introduced, again, to our mandrel wound pipe sections, where it's basically an inhibitor that's applied to the inner wall of the pipe section. And so when you install that piece of insulation and you introduce the elements that promote corrosion, water, air, and temperature, it activates and it forms a protective barrier around the pipe system. And so it's just another wave of CUI mitigation that we've introduced with this product. We're very excited about it. I think we are the only folks that have brought a product like that to market, that being a stone wool insulation system with a CUI inhibitor embedded into the system itself. Testing looks fantastic. The customer adoption has been really good. So yeah, we're very excited to be here and to talk about CR Tech, both here and with some of the folks we're meeting out in the booth area.
Yes, definitely. So I understand you're expanding in North America. What can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. So I mentioned a little bit earlier, we have 2 significant projects happening in North America. We have a large, full greenfield stone wool factory being constructed as we speak in Wallula, Washington. That'll be a big jumbo line to service that market. We're very excited about that. Pertaining to the technical insulation side of the business, we have a factory expansion happening at our Mar, Mississippi factory. At that expansion, we're putting in the equipment and the civil work to be able to manufacture both our pipe insulation products and also our MA960. It's a matte product. So very excited about it. Currently, we're a bit limited in where we manufacture. We only manufacture those products in Western Canada currently, but with this expansion, we feel we're going to be able to service the market at a much higher level from a service standpoint. So we're very excited about that.
Is there anything else you'd like to mention?
Yeah, just excited to be here, excited to chat with you. So appreciate the time. We're excited to be exhibiting down on the convention floor. We're longtime participants with AMP and pre-AMP NACE, I believe. So ROCKWOOL has been a long-time supporter, and great to be here. I mentioned earlier we have one of my technical managers presenting right now on CR Tech with one of the adjoining exhibition halls here. So very appreciative to be here and good to meet you.
Very good, thank you.
Yeah.
Again, this has been Kerry Cole from AMP Media with Dan Aiken of ROCKWOOL. Thanks again for joining us.
Thank you.